you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. There's this misconception that certain people push our buttons, and it's only those people that push our buttons. This is actually not the case. In fact, it's more about you than them. They may indeed be the vehicle in terms of why they make you feel the way you do, but it's your own belief system that's making you perceive things a certain way. To summarize, perception is everything. Change the way you perceive things, and your life will change. I'm a grief and mental health therapist. If you're looking for therapy, I can be reached through my website, which is healyourgrief.co.uk, or please send me a private message.